It's so good. Mmm. Mm. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing baking again. So this time I'm gonna bake a triple chocolate fudge cookies. So this is really good for snacks or for dessert. So to start, these are all the ingredients. I have some butter and I have some flour, 2 cups of flour, and I have castor sugar. We also need brown sugar, this one guys, and baking soda. We also need cocoa powder and 1 egg and hazelnut, roasted hazelnut guys, this one. And I have some chocolates in here. So I've got some dark chocolates, my leftover from my red wine chocolate cake. I also have dark salted caramel chocolate. It's supposed to be salted caramel only guys, but I can't find that chocolate. So I just grabbed the dark salted caramel. And I also have white chocolate. This one, you also need this. So again, I'm using Whittakers chocolate guys. So these are all the ingredients. Now let's begin. I forgot to tell you that you also need a vanilla extract guys, this one. So I'm gonna put all the measurements and ingredients again in my description, so just please check it out. And before I forget, you also need a 2 large baking trays with baking paper. So this one guys, I've got right here, like this. And you also need to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. So first step is you need to place the butter, castor sugar, brown sugar, and the vanilla extract all together in a large bowl guys. So we'll put the vanilla extract now, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next is we'll sift the flour, cocoa powder, and baking soda. So these are all ready for the oven. I'm gonna bake this for 12 minutes or until just dry on the surface.
A few minutes later.
So these are my cookies and it came out a little bit larger than expected. So better luck next time. We'll make it smaller next time guys, because this is actually my first time to bake this cookie, so I'm not really sure the size. So I'm just gonna let this cool down and I'll be right back for the final presentation. Hey guys, I'm back. So before I show you my cookies, I would like to shout out someone. He's my new friend here in YouTube. Big shout out to you, my dear friend, Real Life Vlogs. Thank you so much for noticing me and subscribing my channel. He have amazing content, guys, so I hope you can check him out. So this is my cookies, guys. So I melted the remaining white chocolate and I drizzle it on top. As you can see, that's why it looks like that. So now I'm gonna try some. I'm gonna try this one. Mmm. So good. So yummy, guys. Mmm. Next time, I'm gonna make a little bit smaller so it doesn't look like this. It's so good. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, guys. I'm just gonna call them so they can try this one as well. I'm gonna call my husband and my stepson so they can eat this one as well. So guys, this is the end of my video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, I hope you will give me thumbs up and feel free to share. Thank you so much for watching once again, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye!